Hello everyone, in this video I will explain about consonant sounds, plus of articulation, especially in the parts of alveolar, palatal, velar, and glottal. Now, let's discuss about alveolar. When you retract your tongue back just a bit from the alveolar ridge, the sounds change enough to be recognized as distinct consonants. So past alveolar consonants are those that occur when the tongue blocks or constricts airflow at the point just beyond the alveolar ridge. Look at the picture. The post-alveolar English consonants are as follows. Here are the examples. Sh, as in short, or brush. S, as in vision or measure. Ch, ch, as in cheek or match. T, t, as in jam or badge. Now, talking about palatal, the roof of your thumb mouth is the hard palatal. Look at the picture. You may notice the place that burns, like how when I eat pizza that is too hot. The place that burned like hell when I eat pizza that is too hot. You create palatable consonant when you raise the tongue to this point and constrict airflow. In English, it has only one palatable consonant. That is y, as in yes, and you. Now, filler. If behind your hard palate you have the phlegm of or soft palate. Behind your hard palatal you have the phlegm, or it is called a soft palate. Unlike the bony hard palate, in front of it, this consists of soft mucous tissue. You make fellow consonants when you raise the back of your tongue to the phlegm to block or restrict airflow. In English, has the following fellow consonants: as in going, and uncle. Note that the sound in this word is not made at the alveolar ridge, which is why it is distinct from un. K is in kite and pack. G, g is in as in good and pack. V as in wet and Howard. Now, the last one is about glottal. The glottal is actually two vocal cords or vocal cords. It acts as a sort of bottle cap to your windpipe. Inhale and then hold your breath for a few seconds while keeping your mouth open. What you are actually doing to keep the air from expelling out of your lungs by closing your glottis. Glottal consonants aren't actually consonants. They just play consonant roles in the language. In English, the following things happen at the glottis. H, as in high, and Bahamas. Say these words and notice how you're not actually breathing or blocking airflow for this sound. You're just exhaling a little bit harder than you would for a normal vowel sound in transition to the following vowel sound. Question mark. This is actually the culprit behind many of the silent syllables we discussed in the first lesson. For example, in the phrase, "What time is it?" the th in what is dropped, and the vowel sound before it is closed at the glottis.